Welcome to my channel Raza Cool in English. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you in detail about Lloyd Split AC's remote all functions and demo, so let's start the video. In the remote you can see the green color button. This button is on and off button. With this button you can turn on and off the AC. After that the next button is temperature up down button. The more you press the temperature down button, the temperature will decrease. 16-degree temperature is the lowest temperature. In this temperature your AC will do a lot of cooling. The more you press the temperature up button, the temperature will increase. The highest temperature is 32 degrees. In this temperature your AC will do less cooling. And if you want comfort cooling and also want to reduce electricity bill, then use your AC in 26 degree. And you are feeling cold in 26 degree, then you use your AC in 27. And you are feeling hot in 26 degree, then you use your AC in 25 or 24. Then the next button is mode. This is cool mode. This is dry mode. This is heat mode. This is fan mode. This is auto mode. Now let me explain you about the mode in detail. This is cool mode. In cool mode your AC will do the cooling according to you, and in this mode you can use all the buttons on the remote. Dry mode. There is a lot of humidity in the rainy season and sticky heat. If you want to remove the humidity, you can use the AC in dry mode. Next mode is heat. If your AC is hot and cool model, then only heater will work in your AC, otherwise it will not work. If your AC is hot and cool model, then you can use your AC in temperature above 26 degree, then your AC will start working in heat mode. After that press the mode button, then fan mode will come. AC cooling will not work in fan mode, only indoor unit fan will run. Suppose there is no fan in your room and you do not want AC cooling and you want to use AC fan only, then you can use fan mode. Then the next mode is auto. In automatic mode the AC will do cooling on its own. You cannot set the temperature in automatic mode. In this mode the AC will run by maintaining the temperature of your body. And in this mode AC will work automatically. After that the next button is fan. The air that comes from the indoor unit is for its fan speed. Fan speed works in 4 speed, you can see in remote display. Now the fan speed is on high. Now the fan speed is in medium. Now the fan speed is in low. And now the fan speed is in auto. You can set the fan speed according to your own. If you set the fan speed too high, then AC will chill your room quickly. Now let's slide the cover of the remote and let's know about the buttons inside. Then the next button is swing. This is the swing button for the use of the swing flap in front of the AC. It works in up down. With this button, you can stop the swing according to yourself, and you can also do the automatic swing flap up and down. You can see the direction of the swing in the remote as you need. You can use the AC swing. Next button is air flow. By using this button, you can use the inside swing. It works from right to left. You can set the direction of this swing according to your own by looking in the remote. Then the next button is turbo. Generally it happens that whenever we turn on the AC, the compressor starts in 3 minutes. By pressing the turbo button, the compressor starts in 1 minute and the fan speed of the indoor unit increases a lot and you can come from outside. Coming to your room and your room is very hot and you are feeling very hot in the room and you have to chill the room quickly, and if you want quick cooling then you can use turbo button. In this the room cools very quickly. Then the next button is sleep. After pressing the sleep button, you can see a moon-like symbol appearing in the remote. By pressing the sleep button, AC becomes silent, and the use of sleep button is very good. Like suppose you have kept the temperature of your AC whatever it is, then every 2 hours the temperature will automatically increase by 1 degree temperature, and due to excessive cold you will sleep won't be a problem. Next button is clean. Using clean button will remove fungus and bad smell from your AC. Now I will tell how it works. As you press this button and you turn off your AC after using it, then this function works. And after the AC off, it will run for 10 minutes, and after drying the garbage stuck in the cooling coil will take it out of the drain pipe, then your AC will be off after 10 minutes. Then the next button is lamps. If you have a display in AC which shows the temperature, if you want to turn off that display, then you can turn off the AC display with this button, but your AC will continue to run, just the light of your display will be off. Next button is timer. You can set the timer by pressing the timer button. You can set the timer from half an hour to 24 hours. It is very easy to set the timer. Just show your AC and set the timer. It automatically sets in that time. Will go and you want to turn off the timer, then you can turn off the timer completely by pressing the on and off button. Next button is hold. You can lock and unlock your AC remote by pressing the hold button. The next button is centigrade Fahrenheit. If you want to convert your centigrade temperature to Fahrenheit temperature, then you can change it with this button. And if you want to convert Fahrenheit temperature to centigrade temperature, then you can use this button again. If your AC remote is not working properly or hanging, then you can see a small hole in the remote. With the help of pin you can reset the AC remote, then your AC remote will be reset. And the remote will work fine. After that you can see the second hole clock. By pressing with the help of pin you can set the clock in remote with temperature up down button. Setting time is very easy. Hope you have understood the information given by me. Then do like my video.